Jack Harrop on the road, here we go explode. Deathmatch adventures, the blood will flow. With his dad Iceman and cousin Tom, and plenty of friends who tag along. Jack Harrop on the road, buckle up tight. There's laughs, there's beers and brawls all night. Jack Harrop on the road, that's how it ends. Deathmatch adventures with all his friends.
So, here goes. We're back on the vlog. We've returned. Who do you think's going to win God?
Me.
Nah, I'm going to win God. I'm going to win God. You're not winning God. So we're just waiting for Timothy and Lou now. Tom, unfortunate, Tom's working. Tom's meeting us at Sheffield. So we're going down with Timothy and then we're meeting Tom there. It's going to be a fun weekend. It's going to be a weekend of violence. So here we are. No, you can't do it to us.
Cowboy Tim Strange.
You can't help it, can you? Oh, here we go. He is the ultimate standoff. The ultimate standoff.
The ultimate collab.
We're vlogging the vlog.
I need to talk to you. I want to come on a ghost from Wales and we'll do a collab.
Yeah,
We'll
yeah.
talk about that off
Yeah,
camera.
yeah.
So what's happening? We picked up the Harrop.
So, we've got Tim. Thanks, Lou. Thanks, Lou.
Didn't have one hours in the car.
So, we've got Tim Strange. Lou's fat shaming me. I've only been with him 5 minutes and I'm getting fat shamed. Got Cowboy Tim Strange, you're putting the air in. And yeah, just gonna go and get some food because I'm fat. Are you sure you don't want out? Yes. Oh, you're here. What? Cold as ice. You're here. Are you sure? Got Scream here. How's it going, lad? Where's your knife? Have you not got a knife? No. Bill, I'm not talking about it. How do you feel? Are you in the mood with me?
A bit.
Do you like my cowboy hat? Are you going to try and get me back? Don't do that. I'll take it very serious.
So, what very serious?
If you catch me. I've got my Lucky Del boys on, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Lucky Del boys. I always wear them when I wrestle. I know it's going to be a banger.
Oh my god, that's going to go in your vlog, isn't it?
Of course, it's going on the vlog. Are you making the magic happen?
Trying to.
He's trying.
Trying to.
I have faith. He's making the magic happen.
Make it happen.
He's making it happen, Tim. New World Order on top, baby.
Oosh. Danny O'Doherty. Oosh.
Danny O'Doherty. Oh, we don't like him, do we?
I don't know.
Oh, do we like? Oh, we like Danny O'Doherty. Do we like you or not?
Or are you Danny from
No, wait, I'm Danny O'Doherty tonight. I'm all right.
Oh, we love you.
Hey! The
Your
Bishop lads are back
your
again.
brother also named Daniel is a cunt.
Yeah, your brother. That brother of yours. That brother of yours is a
Who's
cunt.
also named Dan.
Who's also named Daniel.
Daniel, that's Daniel. That's a different fella altogether.
Referee of the evening. I like it.
Thank you.
I like it.
Going for-
Our referee. This is our
Going
referee.
for Living Dead style. Sandy's your ref this evening.
Oh.
Not me.
What are you going for? Oh, I like it. Look at these. These are creative. These are good.
There, watch this because we'll bring a. I'm going to say you've got something in your hair. Oh, it's a ghost.
Are we ready? New World Order for life. You ready? Ready. Come on! Yes! Come on, Rice! Representing the New World Order. He is the yes! We're here! MWO! 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 Come on! till it. Wing. For life. Made it!
Thanks to Bobby Cash and his stalling.
Hey, we've never heard it for a while.
It's going to be a great. In fact, it's not. It's going to be a great weekend of action.
Yes! How you feeling, Tommy lad?
All right.
Yeah, you finally made it here though, didn't you?
Yeah, we're like seconds spare.
Yeah, but who was the one who delayed?
Bobby Cash.
Oh no! Oh no!
Fucking right now, hasn't it?
Oh no!
Look at you, you bunch of subs. None of you are fucking helping the poor soul, are you? Yeah? Come on, let's see ya. No one's gonna do fuck all. Joe says he started this scene. I think me and the Iceman, we wrestled each other, and now we damn near beat the fuck out of each other. I say, we started the goddamn
Yes! Yes! Fucking Nick Cage in your eyes. What the fuck? Oh no!
Introducing first, official opponent. He is the European Deathmatch Hall of Famer. This is Iceman. Can we please reintroduce music again? Because I want to be like the Dookies, but do the clappy thing. What you doing, you simple bastard? You fucking idiot.
So here we go. It's show day. We've got Tom. We've got Iceman. How's it going, guys?
Alright.
Just had a good sleep there, haven't we?
We have. Thinks we're filming a porno still.
Just had a good sleep. Yeah, aye. We just had a good sleep there. Now it's on to games of death. And guess what?
Ready to win the whole thing.
I'm going to win it. I'm going to win this thing.
Ready to win the whole thing
What do you
again.
mean? You're not winning it. I'm going to win it.
Right, awesome.
Whoa, I'm going to win it.
No, I'm going to win now.
What happens if we meet? What happens if we meet
Well,
tonight?
listen, we both can't win it.
No, but what
So-
happens? We've said we won't do ever again. But what happens if we meet?
Well, that's when you lay down and do the job for you.
You've got to lay down.
No. How's that going to work, Jack? If we
You've got
both-
to give back.
We both can't win it.
You've got to give back. Just lay down.
We both can't win it.
Just lay down.
I'm just wearing armour.
Why? Is Sheffield that rough? What? Is Sheffield that rough? What the fuck?
What did you get?
Where's some hydration station?
Did you? Yeah. Oh, you think about me, don't you?
Constantly, my lad.
That could get me through tonight, you know.
Well, I'm taking off you then because I want to win.
So here we are. Here we are for day 2. Hey, Cowboy Tim Strange.
Oh, some fucking twat.
Money. Day 2. There's Franco. There's Franco there.
I thought you don't like each other.
Oh, he's arsehole. Fuck you.
Nice lad, Franco.
Fuck you. Fuck you, Franco.
Where's Franco?
Put the wind down. Put the wind down.
Franco, this forgot.
He's Franco on the vlog. We've got Franco here. We don't like you. Fuck you.
Piss off then.
Enjoy me. Yeah, but I don't want to.
You're landing.
Remember this.
I didn't do this.
Remember this later.
Look, we've got to hold the wires on the battery.
Hey, you just do it, please.
No.
How big is this going to go off?
It's like a pot. It's like a little.
I dare do it.
Like a party.
I dare go to it at the moment, but I dare do this.
Go on.
I dare.
I don't like how he's getting closer.
Please.
You don't like
Please.
his pissing blood.
Why do I have to? Just go and do it then.
Nothing's happened.
Oh, is that it? I just shit my pants. It took me, how many minutes would you say that took us?
5 minutes.
About 5 minutes to pick up the courage, and when it come down to it, it was fuck all. It was nothing.
I'm gonna get that redone, but swap over space with my face.
I bet you get the blood on it though. I bet the blood gets on it.
Look at your head, Carl. Any damage off last night?
I didn't know fans had merch.
Oh Jesus, give it a look. Put your head down.
I've got a photo already of it. Because I saw my nephews in bus station this morning. They were going to a football match in Barnsley. And I said, I'm like, here, take a photo of me. I don't see it. I can't look at mirror to look at it.
I bet that's not the only photo your nephews who took of you. Is it, Carl?
Hi Tim.
Who's ref of the night? Cowboy Tim Strange. Turn your vlogs off. I don't do vlogs anymore.
Why?
Putting the ropes back on. I just get bored of them.
You bored of them?
I'm bored of them because it's all the same shit.
No, but this one's not. I haven't done all that shit this time. I
It's
listened
like,
to.
oh, look at me, I'm in a services. Oh, look at me,
No,
I'm on the road.
we never
Look,
did that,
I'm
did
on a
we?
show.
Obviously, I was with
Look
you. We
up
didn't
to
do
the
it.
show. Look, now I'm driving home.
We didn't do that though. I'm doing all the
Cowboy
kill
Tim
shit
Strange.
like Carl Barmer's cock.
Yeah, I guess that'll get some viewers in.
Blue moon, you saw me standing alone.
Barbed? No wait, look guys, I don't have an EpiPen.
What
I'll
have we
die.
got here? We've got a live wasp.
Ready? This is what you do.
This is.
No, listen.
This has gone too far.
He kissed me twice, like full on in the mouth.
Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this?
Cowboy Tim Strange.
What's this?
Oh, this is the prestigious trophy. That's if you're lucky enough.
That's
you'll
what you're
lose
killing
and not
yourself
have to
for,
take it
sir.
home. If you're lucky enough, you'll lose and not have to take this monstrosity home with you.
I'd hate to be the man who wins that. Like it's an embarrassment.
To be seen near it, I feel dirty. It's been
Look at
here.
it.
Go on, do it! 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 Do it!
It's going to be Madman Pondo versus Iceman. Ladies and gentlemen, correct. Joining us semifinals tonight, Madman Pondo, Iceman!
How do you feel about that?
Your mom's phoning me. And then, I'll get the stop sign. Phone me in. Got my stop sign. Step it. Hit the stop sign up into my leg. And I'll go down. Go back into the inside.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, before this match begins, both of these participants came to me and told me that they've come to a mutual agreement. This semi-final will be Jack versus Drew. Taipei Death 2!
Jack Harrop! One proud Jack!
I'm just doing it to make you proud, Dad. Ladies and gentlemen, once
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, fuck off! Fuck off! What the fuck? Jack.
how could he do this to you? How could he do it? You come from his tickly. Just heartbroken for me.
Fuck off, you're one of them! Fuck off, you're one of them! Fuck off!
Tell that woman I'm alright. I'm alright.
Thank you, Jack. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you, mate.
That was that one. Fucking hell. Talk about a rough all night. Jesus. Started off good. Started off easy. And got a little bit more aggressive. Then, I dare say, one of the most brutalest matches to ever happen in the UK has just took place in there tonight. I am going to die in the morning. What can you do?